Hello again, my dear viewers. Today I'm bringing you a very important and a useful tool that use the AI, which is the AI. So of course you can sign up and you can use the your account. So this tool allows us to create or to generate YouTube shorts from long videos. So, for example, I have this video from my channel, which is about text-to-speech programs, and if I want to generate and as you can see, that video is 8 minutes, 45 seconds long. If I want to generate like short videos, I just have to click share button and then copy the link, as you can see here. I go to the website, I click the link, as you can see, and there you are. So the website suggests some video shorts. So as you can see, this is the first one, the first short video, which is 30-second long, and second one, which is 41 long, and third one, etc. So if your video is longer than that and it contains many important moments within video, just it gives you a lot of prompts. So if I want to to convert this piece of the video from the video to short, I just click this arrow here like that. And then if I want to see it on YouTube, I open it from here. If I want to edit and export, and I start editing and exporting. So that's how is it. As you can see, this is my video, and this is the short video that the website is suggesting. And it tells you where does the short video exist within the video. And of course, in the setting, you can adjust the setting if you would like to work on YouTube or on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube Short or TikTok, whatever. You can also use the subtitles, and you can choose the way you want your subtitle to appear, and then the layers, how they look like, if you want to add more layers, etc. And once you are done, you just click the explore, the export button, and you just wait for the video to be exported, and that's it. So I hope this tool will help you a lot, and thank you very much for watching. See you next. Bye for now.